With spring upon us, we know some of you will be getting your classic cars out from winter storage. With that in mind, we thought we'd film some videos with tips and tricks to help you revive your car from its winter slumber. Classic car tyres are often overlooked, but they are vitally important because they are what connects you to the road. We're all used to checking our tread depth and ensuring that our tyres are legal. They should be over 1.6 mil across 3/4 of the tyre to pass an MOT and be legal for road use. Classic cars, however, have a hidden problem. Where many classics cover very few miles, the tread wears very slowly. However, age can cause all sorts of problems for tyres. They can go hard, they can perish, they can crack. It's vital that we check all aspects. When checking your tyres over, tread depth can easily be measured with the edge of a 20p piece. However, when you're looking at them, you should also check the sidewalls and tread for cracks, splits or wear. While you're there, you could also look for the date stamp on your tyre. This varies from tyre to tyre, so please drop us a comment below letting us know your brand of tyre and we'll help you locate the date stamp. If your tyre's over 10 years old, or if it just doesn't have a date stamp, we recommend it's probably time to change your tyres. Now we've confirmed that your tyres are in good condition, it's time to check the pressures. You can use a small handheld pressure gauge to check it, or an inflator with a gauge on it like this one. Simply remove your dust cap, put the tyre inflator on and check the pressure. If it's low, top it up. If it's too high, release some pressure. Pressures will vary from vehicle to vehicle and tyre to tyre. Drop us something in the comments about your car and tyres if you need some specific advice. As a rule of thumb, we recommend 30 psi all round on an XK or 32 psi all the way round on an E-Type. We've got plenty more tips and tricks videos to come. If you enjoyed this one, please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.